How you doing, guys? Chris here. The Ingenuity drone is preparing for its third flight this Sunday, the 25th at 10:15 Pacific Standard Time. This flight will be the third flight of NASA's predetermined test flights. The first and second flight of the Ingenuity drone on Mars performed basic hovers at different elevations. For this third flight, NASA has determined that the Ingenuity drone will perform a hover, fly out 50 meters, and then return, landing safely in the pre-designated area. Here is a computer simulation of the projected flight that Ingenuity will take. Okay, maybe not exactly the flight that the Ingenuity drone is going to take, but there will be some movement back and forth. This is a depiction of about how far it'll travel. Soon enough, the Ingenuity drone will be able to perform its first mission exploring the cliff walls of the Martian crater. The anticipation builds as Ingenuity prepares for its third flight. Stay tuned, I'm sure there's more to follow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.